खबर आपको बता दें, लॉकडाउन के बीच देश की इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट देने के लिए सरकार की ओर से लगातार प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं। इसी के तहत रिजर्व बैंक ने उम्मीद के मुताबिक रेपो रेट में 0.75% के 75 बेसिस पॉइंट की कटौती कर दी है। इस कटौती के बाद रेपो रेट 5.15% से घटकर 4.45% पर आ गया है। इसके साथ ही बैंकों को यह सलाह दी गई है कि 3 महीने तक ईएमआई पर राहत दें।
Government of India has yesterday announced a number of measures which are expected to provide relief to various disadvantaged sections of the society. The MPC further noted that the Reserve Bank has taken several measures to inject substantial liquidity in the system. Nonetheless, the priority is to undertake strong and purposeful action in order to minimize the adverse macroeconomic impact of the pandemic. It also underscored the need for all stakeholders to fight against the pandemic. Banks and other financial institutions should do all that they can to keep the credit flowing to the economic agents which are facing financial stress on account of the isolation that the virus has imposed. Market participants should work with regulators like the Reserve Bank and the SEBI to ensure the orderly functioning of markets in their role of price discovery and financial intermediation. Strong fiscal measures are of course critical to deal with the situation. To summarize, COVID-19 stalks the global economy and the outlook is highly uncertain and of course negative. Several nations are battling its exponential contagion. Countries are shutting down to prevent being sucked into a kind of black hole. Authorities all over the world are mobilizing on a massive scale to fight an invisible assassin. India has locked down economic activity and financial markets are under severe stress. Finance is the lifeline of the economy. Keeping it flowing is the paramount objective of the Reserve Bank of India at this point of time.